Hello students, in this video we will discuss about conic section and how to find the conic section. Since as is seen here, this is line L and this is the line M, and M line intersect to the L line at point V with the angle alpha. If the constant angle alpha, M line rotate one complete revolution, then this double napped right circular cone will be formed, where this nape is known as upper nape, and this is known as lower nape. Now, as is seen here in this figure, a plane like this cut to this double napped right circular cone, then we can find there are four type of circles. Here condition is given: if angle beta, that means plane cut to the any nap perpendicular to the axis of this double napped right circular cone, then we can find the circle. That means first we make the diagram. If this is the double napped cone and this is the axis of this right circular cones, this is the vertex, this V point is known as vertex of this right circular cones, and this angle is alpha. If plane like this, suppose plane, this is a plane and cut by this plane to this neck, where this plane and this axis is perpendicular, that means this angle, suppose this angle is beta and this angle beta equal to 90 degree, then we will find here a circle as like this, a circle as like this. That means if double napped right circular cone cut by a plane to the perpendicularly to the axis of this right circular cone, then we can find the circle. Now in the second situation, if this double napped cone cut by a plane when beta and alpha both angles are equal, that means suppose this angle is alpha and a plane which cut this nape with this angle beta, this angle is beta, and given that beta equal to alpha, then we can find an ellipse, and we can find the parabola. That means this is the parabola. This diagram is parabola. And when this double napped right circular cones cut by a plane such as beta angle is greater than alpha but less than 90 degree, then we can find an ellipse. an ellipse. This angle is alpha and this angle is beta, where beta is greater than alpha but less than 90 degree. And if beta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than alpha, then we can find the hyperbola like this. This is the double napped right circular cone. And if the plane cut like this, that means parallel to axis. That means plane should be parallel to axis of this double napped cone. Then this type of diagrams we can find, and this diagram is known as hyperbola. Now, if we show the only circle, then in this situation we can find this type of figure, and this is known as circle. Parabola is like this. Ellipse is like this, and hyperbola is like this. This is the circle, this is the parabola, this is the ellipse, and this is the hyperbola. Now in the next video we will discuss about parabola.